What if I told you that a spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet, one you probably only use for holiday baking, holds the secret to a deeper, more restorative sleep? In this video, I'm telling you exactly what happens to your body when you drink clove water before bed. We're talking better digestion, reduced inflammation, and waking up feeling light. But before we dive in, hit that follow button so you don't miss these wellness secrets. And please, watch this video to the very end, because I have a shocking fact that will make you run to the kitchen tonight. So, what happens when you sip this warm water 30 minutes before you hit the pillow? Number 1, your digestion finally rests. Cloves contain eugenol, which helps reduce gas and bloating. It signals your stomach to relax, so you aren't tossing and turning with a heavy feeling. Number 2, your body goes into deep repair mode. Cloves are packed with antioxidants. While you sleep, they fight inflammation, helping with achy muscles and joints so you wake up less stiff. Number 3, it balances your blood sugar. Studies show cloves help manage insulin function. Drinking it at night helps stabilize your blood sugar while you sleep, meaning you wake up without that groggy, sugar-craving feeling. Okay, so how do you actually make this without it tasting like you're chewing on a tree? Method 1, the classic soak. Around 7 p.m., take 3 to 4 whole cloves and drop them into a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, strain it, and sip. Method 2, the bedtime latte. Add a cinnamon stick to the water while it steeps. When you pour it, add a splash of warm oat milk and a tiny pinch of nutmeg. It tastes like a hug in a mug. Method 3, spiced honey mix. Grind 1 clove into powder and mix it into a spoonful of raw honey. Stir that into warm water. It soothes your throat and tastes amazing. Remember, start slow. 1 cup is plenty. Here is why I want you to try this. We live in a world that glorifies being busy, and then we wonder why we can't sleep. Taking 10 minutes to prepare a simple cup of clove water is an act of self-love. It's you telling your body, I see you. This small habit shifts you from the chaos of the day to the peace of the night. You deserve to wake up feeling rested. Now, I promised you a fact that will blow your mind. Did you know that clove water is so potent at fighting bacteria that ancient cultures used it as a natural mouthwash? If you drink it before bed, it continues to fight oral bacteria while you sleep. It's like having a cleaning crew working in your mouth all night long. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe so we can continue this journey together. And please share this video with someone you love who needs a better night's sleep. My name is Sarah Sweet Dreams, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night.